Hello friends, on this video how you can change wallpaper on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, if you want to change wallpaper, then you have to move on setting, and from here you have to search for the wallpaper. If you don't find the wallpaper option here, you can just move on personalization. Okay, if you don't find the personalization, you can just move on the option of the wallpaper. Just click on personalization, or you can search for here the wallpaper option if you don't find this option wallpaper. Okay, so here is the wallpaper. Tap on wallpaper. Then from here friends, you can see open theme store and street wallpaper. So before you, if you want to set online wallpaper, before you set online wallpaper, do not forget to turn on your Wi-Fi or network. Okay, just move on static wallpaper. Here's just static wallpaper. From here you are going to find this static wallpaper. Okay, offline wallpaper, and here click on open theme store. This theme store will work if you turn on your network. Okay, so here's the theme store. You can set from here new wallpapers. Okay, if you want to set wallpaper. Okay friends, example, like I want to set this flower as my wallpaper, then here is the apply option. Just click on apply option, and from here again apply option, just tap on home screen, lock screen, home and lock screen. Okay, you can apply this wallpaper for your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, hope you understand how you can set wallpaper or how you can change wallpaper. But if you want to change from gallery, then here you can this is the local albums. Okay, tap on local albums, then from here you can set wallpapers. Okay, from this icon. Okay, from the local album you can use your own photos as wallpaper. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.